This is the StrongArm Fine Edge fixed blade knife. It features full tang construction with a 420 high carbon fine edge blade for strength and durability. It's coated in black ceramic for low profile use and corrosion resistance. The knife's handle has a rubber overmold engineered with a diamond texture for superior grip in all conditions. The modular sheath has snapped together components that allow you to mount the knife in multiple ways, using MOLLE or vertically or horizontally on a standard tactical belt. Proudly built in Portland, Oregon, this is the StrongArm fixed blade.
The EXF01 is a precision-built, high-performance powerhouse that effortlessly fits the role of a tactical or survival tool where durability is paramount. It was designed by former Marine Recon and renowned custom knife maker Alan Oleshowitz and is proudly made in the USA by Hogue Incorporated. It is available in two sizes, a 5.5 or 7-inch blade. The full tang construction is made from A2 tool steel and comes in a heavy-duty drop point with a flat grind. Each knife is honed by hand and cryogenically heat-treated for exceptional cutting performance. All of the models feature an abrasion and corrosion-resistant, kiln-baked Cerakote firearms finish. Colors are matched with the handle scales for a low-key visual footprint. The scales come in our patented Damascus G10 composite and Cocobolo hardwood. Holes in the end of the handle and base of the blade allow for multiple lashing points or the addition of a lanyard. Damascus G10 models come with a Torx tool that allows you to stow small items in the spaces of the skeletonized handle beneath the scales. The handle is fully sculpted for exceptional ergonomics and features a pointed pommel that can be used as an impact tool. The intelligently designed sheath features webbing on the front and back, allowing for belt carry or attachment to MOLLE-compatible systems. Made from ballistic nylon with a polymer insert, it is built to last and can be expanded on with our optional MOLLE pouches. A length of paracord is included. Elegant yet tough, the EXF01 has been designed to easily overcome demanding tasks with reliability and ease. Hogue knives leverage the know-how of 3 generations of manufacturing experience and are backed by our limited lifetime warranty. To view available models and other quality knives and tools.
52 Frontier Fixed Blade Bushcraft Survival Knife, one of 2 blades in the SCHF52 series. With 7 inches of razor-sharp wilderness-taming edge, the SCHF52 is crafted from tough, edge-retaining 1095 high-carbon steel. The full fine edge rises from below and drops from the spine to form a rugged and pointy tip, ready for any drilling, piercing, or precision slicing task. The full tang blade is coated with scratch and friction-reducing PTFE, which helps the SCHF52 Frontier glide through feathering, cutting, chopping, and bushcraft batoning tasks. The ergonomic grip is fashioned to perfectly fit the human hand, and the TPE handle slabs further increase comfort in grip while reducing hot spots that can cause blisters. A sizable finger choil makes detailed work a breeze, while the pommel end hand guard keeps grip firm when unleashing the chopping power of the 7-inch blade. Crush and smash objects with the hammer end and lash cordage through the lanyard hole for added security. Sharpen the SCHF52 Frontier with the diamond stone that travels with blaze-sparking fire steel and a striker in the front pocket of the black heavy-duty woven fabric sheath. Slide the full length of the knife into the protective sheath and secure with the adjustable handle strap for safe travel. Carry the knife on any belt using the adjustable rear loop. Backcountry, bushcraft ready, forged from premium materials and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF52 Frontier Fixed Blade Survival Knife.
I'm Lucas Burnley and I designed the Squid for CRKT. The first factory knife I ever bought, an Ed Halligan Stiff Kiss. I was probably 15 years old and I still have the knife and I love it, and it's beat up and nasty and I cracked the sheath. But from that point on, CRKT always stood out in my mind as a brand that basically put out a quality product at like a really affordable price. And one of the nice things is because of the makers that you guys work with, it takes a design that's super high in demand and makes it available to everybody. That's the draw. Like I couldn't get, a Halligan knife, but I could get his design in a CRKT knife. So when I had the opportunity to start designing with CRKT, it was huge. I mean, it was like playing for the big leagues. It's a family that I've been a part of for a long time. The Squid has been one of my custom models for about 5 years now. The whole concept behind this knife was that of a compact pistol. I wanted to be able to do a really functional tool, a fully featured tactical knife, just scaled down. The primary things that I was really trying to keep were a strong blade and a good grip. I wanted it to be easy to carry and, more importantly, legal to carry in a lot of jurisdictions. So the overall design is really non-threatening, which is great. So you want to be able to have it with you. The blade's just over 2 1/4 inches long. The locking mechanism on the Squid is a frame lock, which is great, super robust, super simple. We did a deep carry pocket clip, makes it super easy to carry, rides really low in the pocket. External lanyard mount. I love the way they translated this detail. Hollow ground spear point blade, really strong in the tip, false edge, jimping on the spine. And then the next thing I wanted a handle that you were able to really get a good grip on. Even though the overall knife is about 5 1/4 inches, you don't feel like you're working with something delicate. Just your perfect everyday, compact, hard.
This is the Schrade SCHF15 Tactical Survival Knife. The SCHF15 is a rock-solid general utility knife with an extremely strong tanto point at the tip of its full-tang 3.4-inch blade. 8 CR13 Movi high-carbon stainless steel provides the strength and edge retention demanded in tough situations. The fine edge of the blade is well suited for slicing and cutting, while deep jimping on the spine boosts grip and stability. A thoughtfully contoured handle with scalloped G10 handle scales and well-placed finger notching make for a sure grip. The exposed tang transforms the knife into a sturdy breaking and crushing tool. Run cordage through the slot in the butt end of the tang for additional security. The SCHF15 sports a non-reflective blade, necessary for covert use during tactical operations. The handsome stone-washed finish underscores the knife's tactical and survival capabilities. The versatile Kydex belt sheath holds the knife firmly in place while accommodating varied carrying positions, including belt, pocket, or pouch use. Or remove the belt carry loop and use the reinforced grommet holes for lashing the SCHF15 to gear. Designed for outdoor and tactical use, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF15 Tactical Survival.
This is the Smith & Wesson SWHRT9B Full Tang Spear Point Fixed Blade Knife. Draped in covert black, the Smith & Wesson SWHRT9B is a tactical and self-defense blade forged from high-carbon 7CR17 Movi stainless steel. The 12.1 centimeter blood-grooved black blade is dual-edged, providing bi-directional, razor-sharp cutting power along with a finely tapered spear point tip. The full tang design captures the high tensile strength of the blade's steel, carrying it through the full length of the 22.9 centimeter knife and forming the internal core of the ribbed black TPE handle. Top and bottom finger guard extensions distance your hand from the dual-edged blade. A lanyard hole in the handle's base can be used to tether the SWHRT9B to your wrist for added security during tactical operations. A black leather boot sheath with reinforced stitching and sturdy steel clip provides discreet, ready access. A lightweight, tactical spear point blade. The SWHRT9B is a quality cutting tool designed for professionals.
This is the Schrade SCHF27 Extreme Survival Knife, a versatile knife with the superior strength of a full tang. The SCHF27 bristles with capability, making it a knife of choice for outdoor enthusiasts prepared to face the rigors of wilderness survival. The 6.6-inch drop point blade comes shaving sharp. Pierce, slice, and chop with a fine edge. Constructed using high-carbon 8CR13 Movi stainless steel, it's strong enough to baton kindling, and the titanium coating increases edge retention and corrosion resistance. Use the cutout in the spine to scrape fatwood for fire-starting material. Generate sparks by using the cutout as a striker against a ferro rod. Grip the black TPE handle, even under challenging conditions, with the underside finger contours, thumb rest, and blade guard. It affords a sure grip Choke up to take advantage of the finger choil and cutout for controlled cutting. Pull the spring-loaded pin in the handle to deploy the SCHF27's titanium-coated pry tool. Features of the tool include a gut hook, screwdriver, and quarter-inch hex wrench. Use the ring as a tether option. Remove the mechanism to use the handle's butt as a crushing tool. Slide the nylon-filled glass fiber sheet over your belt, or take advantage of the multiple grommets and slots to lash the knife to gear or garb. Designed to see you through the unexpected, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCHF27.
My name is Darren Sroyce. I'm from Fayetteville, North Carolina, and I designed the Seaweed for CRKT in the Forged by War program. So I'm a 25-year veteran. I joined the Army in 1989 when I was 20 years old. I did 11 consecutive rotations in Iraq. I retired as a sergeant major in 2014, and I got brought into CRKT under the Forged by War program. My initial design didn't quite look like this. It was a little bit rougher, and I took it to a really good friend named Chris Williams out of Fort Bragg, North Carolina, and he gave me some really good recommendations that I incorporated, so it was only my duty to name it the SIWI, S-I for Sroyce, and W-I for my good friend Chris Williams. The knife was designed to be an everyday carry, made for the hunter, the fisherman, the tactical guy, the guy who likes to do a little time in the woods. Just a simple drop point with a flat grind that comes up fairly high. It's a 3-inch blade with a handle that fits the blade. It's made from SK5, which is a good high carbon steel, and it has a black powder coat finish. The spine is curved, just like your palm. It feels comfortable. It doesn't create wear spots or hot spots or create calluses. The handle's made from G10, which is impervious to blood, sweat, mud. It won't absorb it and it won't get dirty. And the best thing about it is you can take the handle off with a couple screws, wash it in some warm soap and water, screw them back on, and it's like you got a brand new knife again. CRKT provides a great Kydex sheath. Retention on this is absolutely beautiful. It won't fall out. They incorporated multiple rivets for the clip, and the sheath can be pretty much strapped anywhere. It's just a very useful multi-purpose blade that you can use for almost anything. My name is Darren Sroyce, and I designed the Seaweed for CRKT.